Hello there and welcome, Dr. Dick and Weatherby from ODX. Welcome to another one of our software video trainings. This time we're going to be talking about how to add a Fullscript treatment plan using the treatment plan builder in ODX. Here we are on the dashboard, and I'm going to presume that you have already connected your Fullscript account to ODX, and so you're going to want to just go over and click this button here for treatments. You can view treatment plans that have already been created and edit them, or you can add new treatment plans. So what we're going to do is we're going to add new treatment plans. There's two choices here. You're going to want to create a Fullscript, so we're going to check that one. If you were in Fullscript Canada, it would say Fullscript Canada, and if for some reason you do want to manage your connections, you can just click that button here. The next thing we want to do is choose a patient. So I'm going to choose a patient. I'm going to do James Bond. And as we see, this patient is already connected and matched to Fullscript. What if this was a patient that was not already connected to Fullscript? So let's see if we can find a patient that has not been connected, and I'll show you kind of what that looks like and how you can go ahead and connect them and match them. So I've chosen Randy Newman, and what you can see here is he hasn't been connected. And therefore, we either want to match with an existing patient that is in your Fullscript account, in which case you would just use this drop-down menu, and these are all of the patients that you have in your Fullscript account. Or you can go ahead and create a new patient, and it pulls in the information here. I'm going to match to an existing Fullscript. Let's do 4th of June. And I'm going to want to do an additional discount here. This is where you can apply discounts to your clients. And I'm going to do a 5% discount. So the thing to note here is this will change the default discount for this particular patient in Fullscript. You can either open up the patient record and edit it here to change that, or you can go ahead and do that in Fullscript itself. But once this has all been done, I'm now going to hit save. As we can see now, Randy Newman has been matched. I can now move on to the next phase, which is choosing a blood test. As we're going to be doing health concerns, you've come to ODX, you put a blood test in, you're going to want to create a treatment plan based on the health concerns that have been generated from the functional health report. You can use the system to just generate a product protocol or prescription, just like you would in Fullscript. We've basically rebuilt the functionality of Fullscript to do that within the ODX environment. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to be showing us what happens when we build a treatment plan based upon health concerns. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to want to pick a blood test. And as you can see, it generates a list of health concerns. These are the health concerns that were generated in the functional health report. There's top 8 have been pre-selected for you. If you decided that you didn't want to use those, you can go ahead and swap them out and just unselect them. And if you wanted to choose something further down the list because you felt like, for instance, that B vitamin need is more important than some of these other ones, I wanted to give you full control as to what treatments that you want to apply to health concerns. We've also built in the ability for you to add additional health concerns that are part of the ODX system, but are not necessarily part of the health concerns from the functional health report on that particular blood test. So let's come in here and we're going to choose magnesium need. So magnesium need has been added to the bottom there. And we're going to hit next. And this takes us through to the product selection step. And so there are two options here, and I'm going to walk us through both. So on our first, we're going to show you how to add products. So this would be using the database of products from Fullscript. And then after that, I'm going to come back and we're going to create a treatment plan, and I'm going to show you how to auto-populate products based upon the ODX recommendations. So let's do add products. So the first thing you notice here on the add product screen is we've got our health concerns on the left-hand side. These are listed with the likelihood probability of concern here. And we've also have unassigned products. I'll talk about that in a few moments. And then on the right-hand side, this is where you can add products. So what we've done is we have preferentially selected the ODX recommendations radio button here. What that is I have worked closely with the Fullscript Integrative Medical Advisory team to develop an evidence-informed approach to finding products. So what we've done is we've identified 5 to 10 different products that we feel are a good representation for products out there in the field for treating a particular health concern. So this is where you might want to start. And so I'm going to build this treatment plan. I'm going to use a bit of the recommendations, and I'm also going to just go use the catalog. So for instance, I'm in Adrenal Support. I really like this Adrenal SAP product from Nutritional Fundamentals for Health. I'm going to add that. As you can see, it is now added to the top, and I can move on to either add more products for Adrenal Support or go, you know what, that's enough. I'm now going to go to Bacterial Support. Bacterial Support, there are 3 products here. I really like Micro Defense with oregano, and I'm going to add that. Again, you can see that it's been added here. And then vitamin B12. You know what? I don't really like any of the products here. I'm going to choose from the catalog, and I want to choose Allergy Research. And I'm going to choose a B12 product to see if there's anything there. Here are the various different Allergy Research products. I really like this B12 adenosine cobalamin, 3,000 micrograms. I'm going to add that. And you can see that has been added to the treatment plan. So I'm going to add a few more here, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to do a little bit of editing. Okay, so we've added all of our products for the health concerns, including the additional health concern. I want to make a slight adjustment to the dosage on this. So I'm going to hit this button here. I'm going to hit edit. These are the number of units that the patient will be sent, how many capsules in this particular order. What I want to do is I want to do 1 capsule, and I want to do twice a day. So I'm going to make that save. I mentioned earlier the unassigned products. The reason for this is that there might be products that you like to prescribe to your patients that maybe aren't part of health concerns. They're just general wellness products. It could be omega fatty acids. It could be multiple vitamins. It could be B complexes. So let's go ahead and assign a product to this unassigned products category. And I want to do a multiple vitamin. So I'm going to type in multi here. And I really like a product from a company called Nutritional Fundamentals for Health. And so I'm going to find a multiple vitamin from the catalog for that particular product. And there it is. It's the multi-SAP, and I'm going to add that. So now my treatment plan has been built. There's a 1 product for every single health concern plus an unassigned product. I'm now going to review that treatment plan. A window opens with the health concerns, with the products, and long list here. And I'm satisfied with this, and I'm going to go ahead and create this treatment plan in Fullscript. So what it does is it sends all of these products over to Fullscript, and I can actually now go view that treatment plan in Fullscript. And sure enough, here's that product, adrenals, microdefense with oregano. And then remember, we changed this from 2 caps once a day to 1 cap twice a day. So everything's in there. I can now send that prescription from here. I'm actually just going to go back to ODX, and then I can activate the treatment plan right here. That's now been sent to my patient. They're going to get an email. Fullscript's going to handle all of the prescribing and the everything about that particular product. Now I want to go ahead and I want to run a health improvement plan. So I'm going to click Run Reports. Here's the health improvement plan window. I just want to do the health improvement plan with the product summary. So here it is. I'm going to hit that. And so here at the top we have the percentage likelihood of need of support of all of the conditions that are from the blood test that we were running this against. And then adrenal support, it has the adrenal SAP products, details, dosage, and also the rationale. It has this for all of the various different health concerns with the products that we've selected. And then I can also do a product summary, really nice little report that the patient can use to put up on the fridge to show them how to use and when to use a particular product. So now I want to go back and I want to show you how to create a treatment plan for auto-population. So I'm going to go ahead a few steps and just get to that auto-population stage, and we can then move from there. So here we are. I've created a treatment plan using Fullscript for a patient. I've chosen the blood test. It was on March 31st, 2021, and I've identified some health concerns that I want to build a treatment plan for. With the auto-population, we are generating a list of brands that are for all of the products that are part of the ODX recommendations for these particular health concerns. So it allows you to preferentially build a treatment plan based upon some brands that you like. Now, not every health concern has every single brand to it. So as we'll see, I want to create a treatment plan using pure encapsulations. I'm going to hit select. And the software is now going to pre-populate based upon my selection for pure encapsulations. As you can see, every health concern has a Pure Encapsulations product. The vitamin D need here has 2 products because there is a vegan product and a non-vegan product. My patient is vegan, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. So now we've got a product for all of these health concerns from Pure Encapsulations. I can now go review the treatment plan and then activate and put into Fullscript. So I hope you can see that the Prepopulation actually is a really nice way of building a treatment plan based upon some of the recommendations that we have built into the system. So that's how you can build Fullscript plans based on health concerns, either just using products or using our auto population. Hope this video has been helpful and that you enjoy using the treatment plan built with Fullscript. All right, Dr. Weatherby here. Thanks. Bye-bye.